Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up understanding cash advance fees detailed guide step by step clearly. To understand cash advance fees, start by defining what a cash advance is. A cash advance is a short-term loan taken against your credit card limit. Recognizing the difference between a regular purchase and a cash advance is crucial. Cash advances usually incur higher interest rates than regular purchases. Identify the types of transactions that qualify as cash advances. Common cash advance transactions include ATM withdrawals, cash checks, and using checks issued by your credit card company. Next, check your credit card terms and conditions for specific cash advance details. Most credit cards will have a section dedicated to cash advance fees. Typically, these fees are either a flat rate or a percentage of the cash advanced. Calculate the cash advance fee by referencing your credit card's fee structure. For example, if your card charges a 5% fee on cash advances, multiply the amount by 0.05. It's important to note that some cards also charge a minimum fee. Compare the cash advance fee with potential alternatives. Explore personal loans or other financing options that might have lower fees. Consider the impact of interest rates when deciding to take a cash advance. Interest on cash advances usually starts accruing immediately. Check if your credit card provider has a grace period for cash advances. Understanding how long it will take to pay back the advance is essential. Review your repayment plan considering your monthly budget and other expenses. Keep track of any additional fees that may apply, such as ATM fees. If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to contact your credit card issuer for clarification. Educate yourself on how cash advances can affect your credit score. Finally, always weigh the necessity of a cash advance against its expenses before proceeding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.